Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Carlson Videography. So today we are going to start with Adobe interface so that everyone will understand how he can work inside Adobe After Effects. So before we start, we are going to look our course outline so that everyone will know what we are going to do before we start. We have 10 course outline. So the first one is project funnel, import and organize. The second one is composition funnel, create a new composition. Timeline funnel, toolbar, effect and preset funnel, preview funnel, render queue, adjustment layer, export shortcut. Okay, so now we are going to dive into the Adobe interface. Okay guys, I know when you are first time into Adobe After Effects, you will be confused. So, what of this? What is this? What is this? So it's pretty simple. Just focus, understand. Don't worry about any tools or about anything you see inside the Adobe interface. Just focus. Okay. So first of all, we are going to start with new composition. Always, if you are going to start Adobe After Effects project, just start with new composition so that you can write the name of your project, your size, if you want your size to be landscape or portrait, so you are going to write it there. So let's go. Okay, here name and other, that is width and height. So you're going to start writing your project name. My project name is like simple logo. Okay, if like this is size, this is a portrait size, as you want your project to be portrait or landscape or square. So you have multiple options and multiple numbers that you can use to have that size or portrait or landscape that you want. Okay, then duration. Here is you going to what duration that you want your work to be, like 1 minute. Here is 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay, let's leave it like this, then we go to the next. Okay, you see it's pretty simple. This is portrait size. And the next thing is that you are going to import your images, your element, everything that you're going to animate inside After Effects. So you are going to click here. Click here. You see, if you click it, double click it, you see you can import anything inside Adobe After Effects. So we are going to select this. We're going to share the shortcut keys in our bio description. Check it out. So you will select this honey product, then it's here. You see it's here. Okay, then the next thing is, before you start, always make sure you create your background. So click here. You see, you see where on my cursor is moving. Just right click, then new, then go to solid. Always, if you want to create your background, start with solid. So we are going to know this later. So you're going to write bg. Always kind of fasten that to shortcut bg. Okay, you see you created your background. So your background is now on inside your composition. So we are going to drag this inside our timeline. So this is a timeline where you're going to put anything inside so that you can see it inside the composition. As you can see, I put this products of honey inside the timeline and it appear in my composition. Okay, the next thing is we are going to go back to the here presets and preview and etc etc. So many people don't understand this site is just for you can arrange your interface as you want, but as you can see, this is the interface that Adobe After Effects gave me default. As you can see here at the top, you can see default. So I'm always using default, because even me, sometimes I used to confuse with some dragging the interface. You can drag the interface and move it to anywhere you want. You can see, as you can see. So let's leave it here so that we will not be lost. Okay, the next thing is that so many people confuse about these tools here. It's till now that I work with Adobe After Effects. I work like, I don't know how many projects I created with Adobe After Effects, but there is some tools I never use them. So normally you're going to use selection tool, then hand tool. That you can, if you select hand tool, you can see how you can move your composition. So as you can see, you can move it anywhere. The other one is zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, yeah, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, the one is rotation. This I think is the some of the important of tools that you are going to use. The other one is fan behind. This one is not necessary. The other one is shape. You're going to, like, you're going to create an animated shape, you're going to use it. The other one is pen tool, that you're going to like trace something or draw something, you're going to use pen tool. The other one is text. You're going to write something inside Adobe After Effects, so you're going to use text too. Back then, even me, I don't know, I can write something inside Adobe After Effects until I watch some tutorials that I understand I can write inside Adobe After Effects. So this is an important. Then the other one is brush tool. I never use this brush tool. I never use this colon stump. I never. Then eraser. I never use eraser. But like, if you want to edit a video, these are some tools you are going to need to work with them. So the next thing is, after you like complete your project, you will know how, you will ask how you can export it. So it's pretty simple. Just go to the composition, then add to render queue. If you add it to render queue, it open another this thing. So you're going to change this loss, click this loss to, then you are going to go to format and change this to QuickTime. Then okay, this is okay, this is okay, then okay. So here, output. So what the name of the output do you want it to come? We already save our project to simple logo. If you want it to become, if you want the name to be simple logo, you will just leave it to a simple logo. Yeah, like, if you want to change it, just double click, then select the where you want your project to be, your video to be, video or picture, anywhere you want. So save it, video, then click render. So i I have something that I want everyone to know. If you are using Adobe After Effects, make sure you have Adobe encoder. This too, Adobe encoder, Adobe Media Encoder, because if you render in and out, you will not able to see your project in like a video format, BLC or like something like this. You can see it as a normal video until you put it in another software to export it again. So I was trying to resolve that problem. So I think till now I don't have that option. I used to do this Q in AME, then it will send it to Adobe Encoder, Adobe Media Encoder. So from there, I used to save my work to become a GIF or video as any video format I want, and as any high quality of my video I want. Okay, thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow my YouTube channel for the next of my videos tutorials. Thank you so much.